Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 2016 Subaru STI 818, listed for $22,000 US in Centennial, Colorado. It is a manual transmission and from the seller's description. Factory 5 818S with the 818C option, titled and registered in Colorado, excellent running condition, tuned for E85, engine is a new STI short block, quad custom exhaust. And up next we have this 1933 Ford Coupe Hot Rod Replica, listed for $80,000 US in Eagle Mountain, Utah. Its condition is listed as used like new and from the seller's description. Factory 5 kit car, custom build, 383cc, TKX 5-speed manual transmission, AC, heat, available hood and engine covers, hardtop, leather door panels and seats. Okay, this one may end up in this week's Weird Wednesday video. It just seems a little odd to me. Here we have a 2005 Porsche Carrera GT, listed for $24,000 US in Riverside, California. It is an automatic transmission and from the seller's description. 2005 Porsche Carrera GT convertible, driven 1,000 miles, Fiero chassis, V6, Porsche Carrera GT replica, or you can dress it up as a Ferrari. Needs paint and interior, runs and drives great. Alright, here we have a replica 1928 Auburn convertible, listed for $22,000 US in Byhalia, Mississippi. Its condition is listed as used like new and from the seller's description. Homemade 1928 replica Auburn, all metal, 350 Chevy, air conditioning, automatic, 4-seater, ready to drive, $22,000 or best offer. And up next we have this 1966 MP Imp dune buggy, listed for $12,500 US in Bedford, Pennsylvania. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1600 Type 3 engine, 4-speed with low-geared trans, may trade for diesel truck or street car, street rod, or side-by-side. Alright, now this is not for the entire vehicle. This is a Porsche 911 993 RSR style body kit, listed for $3,000 US in Chicago, Illinois. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, looking to sell the bodywork off of this race car. It's a 993 wide body. The photo is from the previous owner. Front one-piece hood and fenders, front bumper, side skirts, rear quarter panels, rear deck lid with wing. And here we have a Ford Model T, listed for $17,750 US in Houston, Texas. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, small block Chevy 350, new 350 turbo with B&M kit, new Sanderson headers, drives nice, front disc brakes, looking for a nice Model A Ford if you are interested in a trade. Alright, here we have a 1976 Datsun Ferrari 250 GTO replica, listed for $42,000 US in Arlington, Texas. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, based on a 1976 Datsun 280Z, the body is fiberglass, original Datsun engine with dual Hitachi carburetors, starts, runs, and drives, but will need a tune-up. The transmission has been upgraded to a Datsun 5-speed manual. The title is listed as a Datsun. Okay, this one is a project. Here we have a 1931 Alfa Romeo kit car, listed for $2,200 US in Sandwich, Illinois. It's been driven 16,953 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1931 Alfa Romeo kit car, VW chassis, manual transmission, 1600cc motor, does not run, no title, 2,200 or best offer. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1968 Meyers Manx replica dune buggy. So technically a kit car and a replica at the same time. Listed for $6,000 US in San Isidro, California. It's been driven 150,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1915cc motor, freshly rebuilt transmission, clean title, street legal, trades welcome. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.